Hello and welcome to the Hornby Magazine workshop. In this video we're looking at the Hornby Q6 080 and we've installed a Locoman Sounds Doehler Haass sound decoder into it. There's a full step-by-step guide for that in the latest issue of Hornby Magazine. That's issue 159, which is on sale from August the 6th, 2020. Having completed the sound installation, we thought what better way to show it than to put it out to work here on top of the Dale. So we've got a classic rake of 16-ton mineral wagons here, coupled behind 63443, and we're going to show you some of the features the Loco has. So the Locoman Sounds sound file is very comprehensive. It caters for directional lighting, a full suite of locomotive sounds. It's also got the option to add in a soothe smoke generator and also firebox flicker as well. Now unfortunately there isn't space in the Hornby Q6 to get a smoke generator in there as well. The motor sits too far forward inside the smoke box. We have made use of the other features though. So we've got a DCC Concepts locomotive lamp. It's one of their LNER pattern lamps. That comes pre-built by DCC Concepts. So all you have to do is fit it onto the locomotive and wire it through to your decoder with a suitable resistor. We've also added the firebox flicker as well, and we've done that using one of Kite Light's small surface mounted LEDs. That's a pre-wired LED, which makes it nice and simple to wire these through. But again, really important you add a resistor to that before you connect it back to the decoder. Completing the list, we've also got a full suite of sound functions from the locomotive, including water tower features as well. So you can have the actual sound of a water filling process taking place with the locomotive. The Locoman Sounds decoder for this, it's got a really comprehensive suite of sounds on it as well. Now that includes the traditional kind of locomotive sounds you would hear, and they're all recorded from the real surviving Q6, that's 63395 at the North Yorkshire Moors Railway. And they've done a really good job of replicating that here in model form as well. Also within that you've got a number of playable whistles in there as well. You've also got active brakes on function 4. There's buffer clashing sounds with function 8, and there's also a really nice forced coasting sound on function 9. And that means by selecting function 9 at any point with the locomotive running, it'll go from the exhaust sound through to the coasting sound with the rods clanking. You can also action that change in the running sounds by notching back by 1 speed step on a DCC handset. We've got a few other functions in the decoder as well, which are worth mentioning, including coach door slamming sounds. We've got a guard's whistle sound, we've got another playable whistle. We've also got safety valve sounds as well. Plus you've also got live volume control as well, which means you haven't got to go into CV settings to change the actual sound volume you're getting for Loco with this. Instead you can use functions 18 and 19, which give you up and down sound changes respectively. So for now we're going to leave the Q6 here on the layout and show you some of its running functions as it circulates with this rake of 16-ton mineral wagons. We hope you've enjoyed watching this latest video from the Hornby Magazine team, and you can read the full sound installation guide in the latest issue of Hornby Magazine. That's issue 159, which is on sale from August the 6th, 2020. Plus, if you're a Hornby Magazine subscriber, you can log into keymodelworld.com and read the full feature there as well, in digital format. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.